Alright guys, welcome to this new video in which we are going together to create the pixel and to connect it to your Shopify store. So the first thing we are going to do is to go on Meta Business Suite, and then you will directly click on the settings. So make sure that you have selected the right business manager just here. And if you don't have any business manager yet and you don't know how to create it, you have some videos on the channel that you can just follow step by step to create your own business manager. So once we arrive there, what we'll do is click on data source just here, and then we'll click on dataset and pixel. Then we'll directly click on add a new pixel, and you will give a name to your pixel. For example, pixel F YouTube. Okay. Then you can just uncheck that and you can just click on create. Okay, you don't care about that. You don't have to do anything special for that. Okay, so then you can directly connect your datasets to one of your ad accounts. That's not mandatory. You can do it after, and I will show you how you can do it just after. So I will just click on next. So now the dataset has been created, really easy. And I can click on go to event manager, and then I will just have to connect it to my Shopify store, and you will see that it's so easy compared to before. It used to be really tricky. Now you just have to go on Shopify, then we click on app, we'll search for Meta, and then you can choose Meta just here. Okay, so we'll click on it, click on install. Here you click once again on install. Perfect. And then you click on get started just here. You just connect yourself to your Meta account. Okay, so we'll click on continue. Continue once again. And then you will have to select the right business manager, the one on which you have just created the pixel. In my case, that's this one. I will click on connect. Then I will click on maximum, save. And then you will have the pixel you have just created. You just have to click on connect, accept, and then you can click on submit for review. And that's it. You have connected your Meta Pixel to your Shopify store. I know it used to be so tricky, but nowadays it is really easy. So you can leave the page, okay? You don't have to stay until the end because now they are going to finalize the channel setup, but you are not going to use all the product and the features that are available on this app. Okay, you just used this app to connect your pixel. You've done it, you're done, and you can leave the page. Okay, so once you have done that, if you want to share your pixel to another business manager, to another person, or another page, or any ad account of your business manager, you just have to click on setting just here. And then you can scroll until share with a business or share with another account, and you will just have to select the ad account you want or the business manager you want. So guys, I hope the video was useful for you. If it's the case, don't hesitate to put a like on the video and to subscribe for more tutorials.